What's the UK Innovator Founder Visa? And why are people calling it the fastest route to British citizenship?
Launched April 2023. No minimum investment. 3-year path to settlement. It replaced 2 older routes and dropped the £50,000 funding floor entirely.
That's a significant change.
Huge. The old Innovator Visa needed 50,000 in available funds. Now bodies assess whether your funding plans are realistic for your business, a far fairer approach.
So what do they actually want if it's not money?
3 things. Innovation, genuinely new to the UK market. Viability, commercially realistic, not just a good idea. Scalability, you must create UK jobs and contribute to the economy.
All 3?
All 3. Strength in 2 doesn't compensate for weakness in the 3rd. A Me Too product that copies existing UK offerings fails. A lifestyle business that only employs you fails.
What about the numbers founders actually pay?
Visa fee, £1,036 per person. Health surcharge, £1,035 a year, so £3,105 upfront for the 3-year grant. Maintenance funds, £1,270, held for 28 consecutive days.
28 consecutive. One bad day and you restart?
Exactly. Plus B2 English, minimum age 18, no upper limit, open to all nationalities.
Walk me through the journey.
Business plan prep, 2 to 8 weeks. This is where most of the work lives. Then apply to an endorsing body, 3 to 8 weeks. Document review plus structured interview. Endorsement letter is valid 3 months. Then home office application, another 3 to 8 weeks.
And after the visa?
Mandatory check-ins at 6, 12, and 24 months. These are not optional. Your endorsing body monitors whether you're genuinely developing the endorsed business. Skip them and your endorsement can be withdrawn, which ends the visa.
So why does 3 years to settlement matter so much?
Because scaled worker and scale-up need 5. After 3 years, your endorsing body confirms you've met 2 of 7 achievement criteria: 50,000 in revenue, 10 UK jobs, significant IP developed, doubled revenue with international trade, and you qualify for ILR. Hold that 12 months, apply for citizenship, under 5 years total.
Fastest founder to citizenship in the UK.
By 2 full years, that's the real prize.
So where should people actually start?
Free assessment at torlyAI, AI-powered 4F formula validation, results in 5 minutes. Find out if your idea is IFV ready before you spend a penny on fees.